Okay guys, Phil again. This is a machine which is going to produce your new casing. So it's a big machine, as you can see, and the big mold, which we are going to show you just after that, are going to be installed over this part in here. So this is actually the big machine, and this is the one who will produce your casing. I'm very sorry, there is a lot of noise in here, so I'm very sorry for the bad sound quality. I will just show you a small machine right now. So this one here is the smallest one, which is producing this kind of forms here, as you can see, and now it's extracting. So this is the way in the biggest one where we're going to produce the new casing. So let me show you the big mold for now. Okay guys, so this is the kind of molds we're looking after. So this is only 2 tons and a half, only for one side of the cases, like for the top case or the bottom case. We need 3 of them actually. So as you can see, it's in 2 parts, and the molds are going to press themselves over 4.5 tons of pressure, and then you'll have your new cases. This is the size of the molds we're going to have for your new cases. Thanks. Hello. Hello guys, 1, 2, 3, hello. C'est bon? C'est bon? Le début était bien. Le début était bien. Hi guys, this is Phil. I'm just near the machine which is going to produce your new cases.